Hi, it's Lynette here. So thank you for joining me. So today, what am I doing? I had to try and think what I was doing there. So I'm doing my 2022 declutter. So I need to declutter 2022 items. You see Lola in the background there. You can hear Poppy. So those are items that I've either given away, decluttered, or passed to the charity shop. I'm doing this with Lottie, and I'll pop her video in the description box below if you want to pop over and check out how she's doing. So this last couple of months has been absolutely fantastic in terms of decluttering. Brandon moved to a flat in Glasgow, so he did lots of decluttering before he went, and then Stephen moved into Brandon's room, so he did some decluttering, and then Steve decided he was going to kind of declutter some of his things. So everybody was kind of on a roll. So we've had really good total. I think we've got a really good total for these 2 months. So we only do it every 2 months, which is preferable. And what I do is if I'm doing a declutter, I'll just film it in kind of chunks and pop it on for you to see. There's some things that I haven't filmed, and I'll just tell you kind of the numbers. So I'll just go through the numbers before I pop the videos on. Sometimes I might just take a photo and pop that in. It just depends. So I'm going to go through what I've done this last couple of months. So this is June and July update. So my first declutter, there was 9 items, and that was some of the items were a bird carrier that we bought for Poppy, just didn't work. Pillowcases, phone chargers, shorts. I gave away 11 items to my mum, so that was basically makeup items and some plant pots. I didn't actually take a photo of any of that because she was just here and I was just giving her some things. There's also like a body lotion and a body scrub and eyebrow pencil, lipsticks, eye primer, mascara, that kind of thing. So the next is a declutter, and this was Brandon moving, so there was loads of different things. There was coat hangers, there was jumpers, jackets, then there was another declutter that I filmed after that. There was 8 t-shirts, boxing kits, Polly Pockets, Lola, down, thank you, she's that tall she can jump up in the breakfast bar, moisturisers, face masks, creams, bits and pieces, notepads, Polly Pockets. There were 67 Polly Pockets that came from a folder, and yes, I did add them in individually because they were all separate items. So 67 kind of helped give me this total that I've got. We did another declutter, and this was Steve's. So there was work tops, shorts, jeans, bags, trainers, trousers, jumpers, coat hangers, that kind of thing. Then I gave away some bits and pieces to Brandon. So there was pillows, duvets, duvet covers, pillowcases, fitted sheets. Another declutter, 27 coat hangers. That was quite a lot. I haven't added them all up in total, but there was quite a few. Shoes, a Spider-Man toy, pens, folders. For the charity shop, I took a Christmas jumper, 6 pairs of shorts, 13 pairs of gym shorts, 11 pieces of work wear trousers, pair of shoes. They were all brand new. The last declutter I did, there was a bag, there was pens, rubber gloves, razors, tub scrubber. Then empties, there were 67 empties in July, which I didn't take a picture of or film, and there was 86 in June, which I did take a picture of and film. In total, there are 432 items this month and last that were decluttered. So I'm just going to tell you the total. So in January, I decluttered 348 items. In February, March, it was 261. April, May, 503. June, July, 432. So I'm doing really well. We've got until the end of the year, and so far in total, I added all this up for the video because my maths is terrible. I've used decluttered, given away 1,544 items. So it means that over the following kind of months, I only have to get to 478. And Steve has really kindly decorated my front room, so it's my office, but it's also going to be my makeup studio where I keep up my makeup studio. That sounds really grand. It's also going to be where I'm going to film, and it's also going to be where I keep all my makeup. However, putting it all into one place and going through things, there's quite a lot that I won't use. So I imagine the next declutter will mainly be kind of makeup and clothes and perhaps some shoes and bags, so that I can kind of help clear my room and not kind of fill my office with stuff that I'm not using. So that's the plan. Anyway, I've prattled on for so long. I'm going to insert the videos and I hope you enjoy this. And don't forget to pop over and check out Lottie's video. See you soon. Bye. My bins are getting emptied tomorrow, so I thought every 2 weeks would be quite good for me to assess what was being decluttered. So, got a bit of a small declutter here, but there's a pair of jean shorts, a pair of ripped boxer shorts, a shower squeegee which doesn't work, a broken phone charger cable. This is really interesting. This is a pet carrier that we bought for Poppy. Like the idea, there's actually a perch in there as well. Like the idea, but she hated it. So because she's either got parrot fever or aspergillosis, I wouldn't risk passing that on, because both are kind of really highly contagious to any other birds. So that'll unfortunately have to go in the bin. And then there's 2 pillows there and 2 pillow slips. So Brandon and Antonia have got a flat in Glasgow, so he's just started the process of packing his boxes, and I've said just declutter before you go. So we've got, there's 2 jackets, 3 jumpers, that massive water bottle, 7 coat hangers, 2 cloth masks that don't need anymore, and a sock, a solitary sock. We've got loads of hangers. I bought those velvet ones. So Brandon's not going to take all these hangers with him, so I'm just going to kind of recycle those. Oh, so another decluttering bundle coming from Brandon and Stephen's room, because they're swapping rooms. So there's 8 t-shirts, there's a boxing kit that's got 2 shorts, 2 tops, 7 plastic pockets, deodorants, moisturisers, headphones, a comb, bags, notepads, bits and pieces. So in total that's what, I'll add that all up later. So this is declutter 4, which is kind of as a result again of decluttering the boys' rooms. So there's 4 work tops, a pair of shorts, a pair of trousers, a jumper, 4 pairs of trainers, 4 coat hangers, DVDs, a pair of jeans, that kind of bag's had it, so it's going in the bin. There's a wee bag down there as well, is the squeegee. Passing these on to Brandon, there's a fitted sheet, a duvet cover, 2 pillowcases that match, and also 2 kind of grey pillowcases. So what I do with my bed sheets is I fold them all and then I put them into one pillow slip, so the whole set's together. So any extra pillows in the fitted sheets, and you just put them in the pillowcase, and that way you just take it out and everything's there. So you don't have to actually try and find a set. So I was laughing. Stephen had gone into the wardrobe to find a fitted sheet, and he said to me, "Oh, you need to try this. I've tried everything and it won't work." He was trying to get a single on a double. It just made me laugh so much. That boy's a donut sometimes. I love him though. So I'm splitting up this kind of declutter into 2 bits here. So there is 27 coat hangers, 2 pairs of old shoes for the bin, a China doll veil, 15 pens, 2 folders, Spider-Man toy, one of these daft waist things which was actually broken into pillow slips. So these is just kind of everything here for the bin. So this is a pile for the charity shop. There's 1 Christmas jumper down there, 6 pairs of shorts, 13 pairs of kind of gym shorts. So Steve joined in and had a clear out as well. 11 items of kind of workwear that he doesn't need anymore, and 1 pair of shoes. So we'll sort out what's for the charity shop and what's to be tossed. So I've just finished my empties, so there's about 6 weeks worth here, and there is like Stephen's, Steve's, Brandon's and mine, but there's 86 items in total, so I'm kind of making my way through my products and trying not to buy too many until I get through them all.